Snow, wind and bumpy roads. A workshop with risk managers, scientists and policymakers from all over Europe takes us to the Bohemian forest. We are visiting the Boletice military training area, which includes about 16,000 hectares of forest land. The division's main activity is wood production, says Peter Krall, the director of Army Forest Estate Horní Plana. Other activities are fishing, gamekeeping and hunting, as well as recreation services. Now we are exploring managed forest stands affected by huge wind breakages. In reaction to these storms, Czech foresters applied partly natural regeneration and partly artificial regeneration. And they decided to change the tree species composition. Nearly half of the forest division is incorporated in the SUMAVA protected landscape area. The territory is also included in the Natura 2000 system. We are spending the afternoon in the SUMAVA National Park, which was also affected by the severe transnational storms Kyrill and Hervat. From forester Jan Kozel, we learn about interventions in the national park.
Non-interventional, we don't do anything.
What if there's complete destruction?
Yes.
That's nature.
Yes, maybe it is nature.
Walking ankle deep in snow, we learn that natural regeneration plays the most important role here. Even if forest stands are totally destroyed, then it's nature, says Jan Kozel, and nature can absorb it. One result of the natural regeneration is the impressive biodiversity, says Andreas Schuck from European Forest Institute.
The fork in the tree was completely split. These are all developments now in a natural system. And when you look over here, just to the back, there's a woodpecker hole.
Woodpecker holes, microhabitats, and look at this impressive tree fungi. Finally, we learn how cutting is approached in the SUMAVA National Park.
Blue one, it means wind trees, cut it. The red one, it means bark beetle. The green one means conservation of the Norway spruce forest stands. And the yellow one, it is volume of dead spruces in non-interventional areas.
This excursion was a great forum to exchange our best practices and our best failures. And we in the European Forest Risk Network all work towards the same goal: to have more resilient forests in the future.